Hi viewers, welcome to your own channel EasySaminJewelery. I'm here with a new project, earrings project. We are making jhumki style or you can say cap earring. We are using golden caps and we are making with beads caps, beaded caps. So very elegant, very different style earrings. We have started with 5 golden seed bead etto. We tied knot, double knot. Now we are starting first round. Here passing through 1 golden seed bead etto, we have added 5 seed bead, 1 golden, 1 black, 1 golden, 1 black, 1 golden, in this way. 2 colors, black seed bead etto and golden seed bead etto. We have picked 4. Second time first we added 5, now we are adding 4. Second time we are adding 4 seed beads, 1 black, 1 golden, 1 black and 1 golden. Again 4, adding, passing through 1 black seed bead and 1 golden seed bead. Now again we are adding 4, 1 black, 1 golden, 1 black and 1 golden seed beads, passing through 2 previous beads, 1 black and 1 golden. And now here we are completing this round with here we are adding 3, not 4, 3. Here we have to add 3, 1 golden, 1 black and 1 golden. In this way we have to pass through 3 beads here. Here we pass through 3 beads. In this way a little beaded flower is complete. We are making a beaded cap. So first round is completed of beaded cap. Now we have to make these 2 beads, golden beads, adding 3. We will make these 2 beads 5 into 5. We have to, this is the easy way to remember, that we will add each time 3 beads here. In this round 3 golden beads we have to add 5 times, and we will pass through these golden beads, 2 golden, we pass through 2 golden. In this way we will make it 5, adding 3. By adding 3 beads we will make it 5. In this way you can say we have beaded 5 times, adding 3 golden seed bead etto in this round. Now next step is starting with again adding seed beads. Here we have to add 3 seed beads, 1 black, 1 golden and 1 black seed bead etto, and we will add these beads passing through 3 beads, 2 goldens and 1 black. Again we have to add here 1 golden, 1 black and 1 golden, passing through these seed beads. We have added 2 black and 1 golden seed bead. In this way we will complete this round. We will bead 5 times. Again next round, in previous round we added 1 black, 1 golden and 1 black. Now we will add 1 golden, 1 black and 1 golden. Again 3. We have to add 3 beads, but the colors are changed. Now golden color is in start and black bead is in center. So in this way, the same process, we are adding passing through 3 beads, adding 3, passing through 3 beads. Now the last round of beaded cap, we have to add 2 seed bead etto golden each time, skipping, passing through 3 seed beads. In this way we have added 2 golden seed beads, and now you can see beaded cap is ready for our earrings base. This beaded cap is ready. And now here this is another golden cap which we have to fix here. On beaded cap we will fix this cap, golden metal cap we will add, and our needle is coming out from cap. On this point our needle is coming out from both caps, golden caps. So we have to add these beads. You can see on your screens 1 teardrop golden bead, 2 golden seed bead, 1 ear wire, and 2 golden seed bead etto, and we pass through this teardrop golden bead, and here we are making a knot to secure our work to move ahead. Now we are coming to the down part. After attaching earring wire and teardrop with golden seed beads, we have to come here down. We pass through golden cap. We are adding here 3 round 3 mm golden bead and 2 seed bead golden etto. Now here we will stop the beading process, and now we are watching how to add a head pin to black crystal bead 8 mm. We are making a loop with the nose plier. After making a loop in this bead head pin, we have to enter it in between beads. So we added it between 2 golden beads in start and 2 its end. Now total 4 seed bead golden we added in this lower part of our earring with 1 crystal bead, black crystal bead 8 mm. In this way this hanging part of earring is adjusted, it is fixed, it is added. Now we bring out our thread again and we make a knot there, and then after making a knot we are coming down, passing through different seed beads to finish this beaded process. This beading process we have to finish. To make some knots we are passing through different beads. We have to make several times these finishing knots. This knot, the end knot, we will make it on earrings back, beaded caps back. We have to make this knot and trim the thread. Now it's ready. Our beading process project is complete. Now you can see these hanging caps earring. These are cap earrings. In Urdu language we call it jhumka style. These earrings are called jhumka, jhumki, jhumka. So we can see how gorgeous, how cute earrings, elegant earrings are these earrings. We use different beads. We used black crystal beads 8 mm, and we use golden teardrops and golden seed bead, black seed beads, and golden caps. So combination of different colors, golden and black color combination. I hope you would like it. Here are some final looks of our today's project. Enjoy these pics and videos of our today's project. I hope you would like it, and you would like our today's project. So if you like, don't forget to subscribe your own channel, EasySaminJewelery. Both are my channels. Now I will say bye. Take care. Lots of love. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.